guns at 106.
He's feeling better.
So that ball was behind, didn't he? Got him at a mere 102.
But the best guess you could make is
early on this fastball.
Ground ball to the right side. To second one. To first. Double play, and the Cardinals win it.
That was an 11-pitch inning. And now that's 3 to 231.
He gone. That one had a little life. Like that. Got it. Swing and a miss to strike him out.
2. Struck him out. That's 11.
and that'll do it.
Cohos, Native American, and he's got a one-hopper for the second out to get.
2. Out to right. Granderson has it measured. Ugle goes back to
Swing and a miss.
Strasburg blows him away.
2-pitch from Martinez. Swing and a miss. He gets.
And a little pop-up on the infield. Bogarts is there.
Guy. And you can see he's got the stuff. 97 down.
2-2 to Yelich, and he struck him out, and that's how the game begins.
And he takes strike. Take that. The 0-2. Strike 3 called.
Now tipped into the mid. 1 down.
Strike 3 call.
Here's the pitch, and a foul ball up against the screen at 100 miles per hour. Right-handed Livers, swing and a miss. 101, and the 1-2 pitch. Swinging a straight back. Another one. Caminero delivers. Swinging a foul, out of play. And a swing and a miss and a scout. And there he strikes up.
Swing and a miss.
See you later.
Down on strikes. And he rings him up, and runner goes from first. The pitch is strike. The throw down is strike. And now they've got the runner. Andrews hung up. 2-2. Oh, fastball painted. 1-2 delivery. Delivery on the way. And the reason is Hank Conger can't throw anyone out of here. In 3. Got him. Just put it.